people. Just chilling on top of Target. Eat my ice cream. Don't know if you can see that. Oh, I got ice cream on the lens. Oh gosh. Look at this. There they go! But they wish they had ice cream. Like me. Like me. Oh my gosh! Natural Grocers! I didn't realize they are on a video. We're chilling. Just chilling from Target. Well, if you can see it, there's a sign. Join ice cream. Well, see you guys when I finished my ice cream.